Have you ever thought about living in a lighthouse? Me too. In today's video, I'm going to show you a house that's on the market that looks like an overlooking lighthouse in Mathews, Virginia. My name is Josh. I'm a real estate agent in the Northern Neck and Middle Peninsula, and this house is unlike any other. We're going to be meeting with Kathy Rule. She's the listing agent for this property, and she's allowed me to come tour this property. Let's get to it. I can't wait. Hey, one thing I forgot to mention is my name is Josh, and I am a real estate agent with Bragg & Company. If I can help with anything, buying or selling a home in the Northern Neck or Middle Peninsula, let me know.
Welcome to the lighthouse. This beautiful, beautiful spot houses a replica of a lighthouse. We are on Horn Harbor, looking right at the Chesapeake Bay, Port Haywood in Mathews County. This was built in 2010 by Bayside Joinery. It is built to withstand anything, any hurricane, anything that could happen. This building is going to withstand it. So that's awesome. And it's built in 2010, so it's fairly new construction. This property has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and a special tower at the very top. There's 1,830 feet of shoreline with spectacular views. Main level has primary ensuite, also has living, dining, kitchen, laundry, and a powder room. The beautiful spiral staircase, which is really a work of art, takes you to the second level where there's 2 guest rooms and a full bath. And then that continues on to the 3rd level to the tower where the views are just spectacular. This sits on 5 acres. There's multiple outbuildings, 2 docks, and also there's a greenhouse. And all of the outbuildings are insulated and they all have heat and air.
So that's it, guys. If you like this home, I'm gonna put my contact information down in the description of this video. Thank you to Kathy and the seller of the home for allowing me to come video this awesome house. If you want to see more awesome houses, make sure you subscribe to our channel. We're gonna be doing more tours like this. If you like this video, I think you'll like this one even more. It's where we show a house on one of the most popular creeks for sailboats to stop. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. We'll see you next time.